I'm taking that switch out in a, should be same for the Yukon too, under here. I can grab it in my hand. Come on, get out. 2/7. I did it over there, but let me show you on this side because this is the master switch. I bet you it's going to go for bad before that one because it's American. Loaded with a 7. Let's take them out. And you also have 2 more down here. So what you didn't see or hear was a 20-minute lecture that I gave my son's friend of how you can take this handle out. Actually not true, but so we got this guy out. That's what we did. We had to squeeze this. Let's go back to work. Pull this ball socket out of this little channel right there. You see? Now we pull this. This moved out like this, and let's hope it's not as hard and stubborn as the one on the passenger side, which it probably will be. Ooh, not bad. Now we flip it upside down to get this. See, not easy on this side. You want to flip it upside down. There you go, numbnuts. Here's the part number. But what we're gonna do is the same thing on the other side. We're gonna pull this harness out of our way. Ow. And you want to have to squeeze these tabs. So like on the other side, I used a tool, not my pick. I used this thing, I think. This guy. So this helped me go right in between the crack and help me go pull it out, because all these little tabs have to be pulled back as you hear it snap, as you pull it out. So let me get that out and I'll show you. I used the harness as leverage to pull as I pried with this and worked my way all the way around. Oh, and make it easy for yourself. Pull this guy off. It's just a Christmas tree pin. So that means it's going to go back in. Now we have more room. Yo. It's like a full-blown surgery over here. I got one pick in here, one in there, one in there. You're fighting all these little tabs to come off. That's what you're doing. And you're pulling it out at the same time. Easy, awkward, Should you use 10 fingers? Yeah, it would be nice. Would have been nice if it just popped out from the other side, but it doesn't. So with my long arms, I gave up on that trick. I came around this way and pushed up on the actual switch itself. So there you go. Are we gonna, like I said, here's the part number. So it looks like it does pop out from the other side, but there's no way because it's all attached. You see? It's all attached. No way. These would all have to come out and then this pops out. So this has got to be the only way to do it. So let's put it back and call it a day. So like it, don't like it, share, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.